You've reached Ryan's voicemail. Please leave a message after the tone. Tone.
That worked so well. You almost got me. Who is this?
What's a ratchet?
What's a freaking ratchet?
You have reached Andrew's voicemail. I can't get to the phone right now because I'm getting butt raped. Leave a message after the beep.
Beep. Oh, I'm crying.
God, we're childish. It's so amazing.
Can't you see I'm only cold right here?
You have a collect call from Only Cold right here. Congratulations! You've won a never-ending supply of toenail clippings.
Hello?
A never-ending supply of toenail clippings.
How is this?
It's like Frank.
Who was that call from? Frank!
I always pick the numbers that don't work.
Hello?
Hi, you. Fuck! I said hi. I'm supposed to say hi.
You say that. You say
I'm trying
that
to be
for
all friendly. I'm
bloopers.
calm to call it back like I didn't do anything wrong.
Hey, you reached Jordan. Sorry I missed your call. Please your name, your number, and
Jordan
last
Kennedy?
name on the back of your hand. At the tone, please record your message. When you finish recording, you may hang up or press 1 for more options.
Congratulations! You have won the first ever musical showing on Broadway of The Holocaust, starring Adolf Hitler and Isles Conch. It's about rape, but it's funny. Please go to website holocaust.com to retrieve your tickets. Thank you. Goodbye.
Hello?
Hello, is this Ryan?
Yes.
Hi, congratulations, you're the lucky winner of 100 pennies!
Sweet.
Don't spend it all in one place, sweetie.
I will try not to.
Okay, hold on 1 second. I get all your information. Hold on 1 second.
A lot of
What the fuck?
A lot of captives, ma'am.
Hello?
Please press 1 to accept your toenails clippings.
I pressed star 67.
You should have caller ID. This is 2013, ma'am. You have a collect call from
Frank.
If you wish to accept this call, please press 1. Would you like to accept? Press 1.
Thank you. Oh my God, we were like really insecure about it. Thanks so much.
I'm
No,
sorry.
we got more. We got more calls to make.
Please press 2.
Press 2 to end it.
If they call back, we're gonna be like, it doesn't matter. To accept the call, please turn on the heater.
Fucked it all up, man. I wasn't gonna laugh.
This is the only number I have.
Sir, I need your home phone number. Don't be difficult.
Not me.
It doesn't matter.
Give me 100 pennies.
That's recording.
Hello?
have a collect call from
Frank.
If you wish to accept these charges, please press 1. If you want an apple pie, please press 1.
Why do I gotta press 1?
Please press 1.
What if I want to press 2?
Please,
Press 2?
please, no.
Oh, man. There's not a second option?
Please press 1.
There's always a number 2.
Please press 1. Please, sir.
Just do it before she loses her job.
Just press 1. Please. Please press 1.
Okay, I just pressed 1.
You pressed 2. You wanted to so bad. I saw you. I mean, I heard you. Please press 1.
What?
A lot of crying babies, ma'am. And they said gold would be more valuable than crying baby toenail clippings.
They lied.
I think this is the funniest call I've got in a long time, man.
Please press 2 for food.
Can I press?
No.
We have fun.
To accept the call, please turn on the heater.
Oh, they might be.
Press 1.
I already pressed 1. How many more times I gotta press 1?
Again.
Oh, why
You have to press 1.
100 pennies.
You have to press 1 for how many pennies
I
you're
already
getting.
did.
100 times?
No, I'm not gonna press 100 times. Just give me 100 pennies.
Okay, address please.
Don't throw a fit, ma'am. Please press 1 to accept your toenail clippings. If not, I'm stuck with them. Alright, ma'am.
Guess I'm stuck.
Guess I'll have to go smother myself in toenail clippings. Goodbye. I hope you feel good about yourself. All those crying
Thank
babies.
you.
Good.
Starting with your... I almost cussed at you, sir. Starting with your zip code. Jesus Christ. Do you want an apple pie or what?
Yeah, that sounds good right now.
Okay.
Apple
It'll be
pie.
cold by the time
Like-
you get there.
We're talking like McDonald's apple pies? What kind of apple pie are we talking
A
about?
homemade apple pie made
Oh,
by
great.
Philip.
But the apples are missing.
Just the pie,
So it's just crust?
full of pennies.
Nope, we replaced it with cherries.
Oh, it's a cherry pie.
No, it's an apple pie. We just replaced the cherries. That's how we describe it. Are you fucking pissing right now?
Yeah, I'm here.
Press 1 for piss.
Press 2 for you know what.
I need medical attention. Press 5 now.
Mm.
You like all of the above.
To return to the main menu, please press pound. To end this call, hang up the line.
Is there an option to like hit them all? Like
Shoot.
number 9?
To hit all calls, you must scream apple pie.
Okay, apple pie.
No, scream.
I don't want to scream.
You must scream apple pie. Apple pie, sir, to press all the buttons.
Apple pie.
Scream apple pie.
Apple pie.
Scream it.
Why can't you scream it? I will look you.
I know a squealer when I hear one. So scream.
I'm not screaming.
Don't
Sing it,
sing. Don't sing.
That means you want to get butt raped too.
That means you won an apple pie.
And 100.
And 100 pennies. Don't spend it all in one place.